Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how you can take the payments inside Go High Level. Now let's say you are selling a product or offering a service or setting up some monthly subscription. Then this video is going to be super helpful for you, in which you will see how to create the product inside Go High Level, and then you can add that product inside your funnels or inside your websites to take the payments directly from your leads or from your clients. Before we can actually take the payments, we need to integrate a payment gateway within Go High Level. For that, you will go to the settings, then click on integrations. And here you can see the Stripe option. Then you will simply click on continue button. And here Go High Level lets you connect the Stripe, PayPal or many other options, but I will recommend you to connect the Stripe as it's easy to use and it connects perfectly with Go High Level. Now to connect the Stripe, click on connect button. And then you will provide all of your Stripe details and it will be automatically integrated with Go High Level. And now I'm not going to connect it during this video, but I just wanted to show you how you will connect it in Go High Level before you start taking any payments from your leads or from your clients. Now once that's done, whenever someone makes a payment in Go High Level, the money will automatically go into your Stripe account and then it will go straight into your bank account. So once the Stripe is connected, your next step is to create the products within Go High Level. For that, you will go to the payments. Now click on product. And here you will create the product. For that, simply click on add create product button. Now let's say we want to take the payments for the floor inspection. Then we can name this product as floor inspection. Next, come to the pricing, where you can either select one-time option if you want to collect the payment for just one time for some of your product or services. But if you want to take the recurring payments, then select this type. Then you can select the daily payments, weekly payments, monthly payments, yearly, or the custom payment type. And then Go High Level will automatically bill or charge your customers every month or every week or year when you will add this product in your order form or in your invoices. But for now, I will select one-time payment to create the product. Then you can enter the amount that you want to charge. Let's say it's $500. Then simply hit save button. Now, if you go back to the products, then here you can see the product has been created that you can use to get the payment from your leads or from your clients. And that's how you can connect a payment gateway like Stripe and create a product in Go High Level so that you can start accepting the payments. In the next video, we will see how to receive the payments through an order form that we will create and add in Go High Level funnels. But if you have any queries about Go High Level, you can ask me in the comment section. For now, thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.